Good day, sir. I am Jake Jordan Cervantes, and I am going to present my final task and terminal output in the subject GESEPE 103. So I am going to present the revised syllabus. So here is the rationale. The revised syllabus for the course Physical Activities Towards Health and Fitness for or the team sports marks a significant advancement in our approach to physical education. This update reflects a commitment to fostering a more engaging, inclusive, and diverse environment that not only adheres to the teaching strategies currently implemented on campus, but also resonates with the university's mission, vision, and core values. At the heart of the updated rationale is an emphasis on inclusivity, ensuring that all learners are nurtured holistically. This approach aims to develop not only essential sports skills but also important values such as teamwork, fair play, effective leadership, cooperation, and sportsmanship. By prioritizing these elements, we aim to cultivate well rounded individuals who excel both on and off the field. The revised curriculum incorporates a variety of lessons and topics centered on enhancing athletic skills while promoting the values crucial for leading an active lifestyle and maintaining optimal health. It integrates team sports focused exercises that provides students with practical experiences and insights into sports management. Throughout this process, the syllabus underscores the significance of order, teamwork, and camaraderie, fostering an environment where strong leadership and mutual respect thrive. By aligning our teaching methods with these principles, the subject path fit for syllabus aims to inspire students to not only excel in physical activities but also to embrace the lifelong benefits of active participation in sports and wellness. So, this comprehensive approach is designed to equip students with the tools they need for personal growth and success in their physical endeavors and beyond. So I am now going to present the revised syllabus. So here is the first page of the revised syllabus. So we have here the title, the code, the credit, the prerequisite, and of course we have here the subject description, and then the course general objectives. Next page, we have here the subject outline. I have included here the course matrix, the intended learning outcomes or the objectives, the topics or the activity. Um, I have also included instructional strategy, which is wala po doon sa original copy of the syllabus. So since we integrate active learning strategy in our teaching. So I have included instructional strategy here. Same through with assessment strategy. So as you can see, this is for the term one. We have here for week one, we have the orientation, basically, the course description, the do's and don'ts, the grading system and such. So we have here the instructional strategy. Next, for week 2, we have here the introduction. Ayan, start na po ng class. Introduction to the volleyball, the different basic skills. And then we have here the strategy. So this strategy is not limited kung ano po yung nandito. So still, the teacher has the rights or has the freedom to use different active learning strategy na pwede niya pong i-integrate sa kanyang discussion. And of course, assessment strategy, we have formative assessment. Same through with the second term. Ang nabago lang po is yung topic, which is the basketball. Okay? So since we promote inclusivity, I have included alternative assessments na pwede pong magamit ni teacher to give doon po sa mga estudyante who have or who has underlying diseases or cannot perform or unable to perform strenuous activities. Next, yes po, for the last term, from week 9 to 13, we have the um, actual game setting. So ginawa po namin siya or ginawa ko po siyang buong term kasi po I remove some of the topics that I believe hindi na po essential doon sa subject na ito. Kasi there are topics na included in the subject or in the module wherein um, it intends para po dun sa mga estudyante nagtitik talaga ng physical education as the major. So I remove those topics and then ginawa ko pong buong term is magiging performance task and then examination wherein the students were going to play an actual game. Okay, so ginawa ko po siyang week 9 to 13 kasi po we have limited space, limited things or how they say this, limited tools na magamit katulad po ng bola, ng net, and such. That is why ginawa ko po siyang week 9 to 13. Since we have limited space, there are also other students na naglalaro. So, not all the time, ma-accommodate po lahat ng teams. That is why I created week 9 to 13 to accommodate all students. And of course, for them to enjoy the rest of the semester. That's all, sir. Thank you so much for listening. Again, I am Jake Jordan D. Cervantes.